Lesson 30 is oral reading. Dear Professor Moses, why are people in Atlanta switching their car insurance to national ? They are switching because paragraph number 1. They find that we can save them 15% or more on their car insurance. Paragraph number 2. They like the efficient way in which our 15 offices in Atlanta serve their needs. Paragraph number 3. They know that we render good, fast claim services. Paragraph. Why not invite our agents to read your policy? Period. If they find that you can save by insuring with national, they will tell you so. Period. But if they find that your policy is as good as ours, they will not try to get you to change. Paragraph. There is no charge for these services. Period. If you would like to have it, I will be happy to arrange it. Professor Moses. Period. Simply call me at open parentheses 703 close parentheses 555-5176. Period. Yours very truly.